Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 70 Chevelle with a 454, and as you can see, the top goes down. It's got a beautiful black paint job. It's got the white stripes, the black interior. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it up in the air so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that 454. We're gonna go out and drive it. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Chevelle investment. So come on up and we'll fire this 454 up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. It doesn't get any better than this. A black Chevelle, white stripes, top goes down, 454 under the hood, beautiful chrome, trim on the headlights looks good. Those stripes are buried underneath the clear. I can barely feel them. I'll tell you what, she is an amazing looking car. There's nothing better than a Cowl Induction convertible Chevelle. There's the SS badging with the 454. We got great looking trim rings and center caps on the wheels. The doors are fitting nice. They're operating nice and smooth. The door jambs are nicely painted. The rubber looks good. The door panels look great. Carpeting looks like it's brand new. Steering wheel's in good shape. Dash pad itself looks good. Center console's looking great. The dash itself looks beautiful. The upholstery on the seats is in good shape. Looks like we do have 2 seat belts in the rear area here. She is gorgeous, guys. We're gonna get in the trunk now. Let me grab the keys. When you look down that quarter panel, it's nice and straight. We got great looking chrome on the back bumper here. And again, those stripes are buried in the clear. I can just barely feel them there when I rub my finger across them. Inside the trunk, look at that. It looks brand new in there. Nicely painted, new mat. Bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. Looks like it's got new rubber there. All the gutter work around the trunk opening, it's all nicely painted. The lips on the deck lid look good. And look down the side of it, straight as can be. You guys all know if you're gonna paint a car black, you gotta be a good body man. And the guy that painted this was definitely a good body man. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory here. We don't do any consignment whatsoever. So we check them out before we buy them. We have 220 cars in stock, and we're bringing in between 40 and 45 new cars every month, and I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that tells you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience in the muscle car industry helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for a ride in the big block convertible Chevelle. Black with white stripes. Sun's out. We got partially cloudy skies, but it's a beautiful day to be driving in the convertible. As you can see, I'm driving with no hands, no problem whatsoever. The brakes feel good too. And I tell you, she's handling awesome going through these corners. Man, it's a sweet ride. And I tell you, that big block 454 sounds so tough. It's got such a great rumble to it. The exhaust is just quiet enough. It's not gonna get you thrown in jail, but when you pull up to a light, I'll tell you what, everybody's gonna know there's a big block under the hood of this baby. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this Chevelle anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. If he does not answer, he will call you back. Leave him a message, no problem whatsoever. Now look down here on the dash. We've got, looks like all the gauges are working. The RPM gauge is working, the speedo's working. Now the clock is going round and round, but I wouldn't count on that to actually keep time. It does look like it's got the stock radio in it. It is an electric convertible top. The switch is right here. We got temp gauge and fuel gauge here. Steering feels good. It is a tilt column. Horn does work on the steering wheel here. Brakes feel great. I tell you what, it's a sweet ride, guys. Now, if you need help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. We actually work with 3 different bankers. We can set you up with financing. We can get you in this car, and we can get this dream parked in your driveway in time for you to get out and have some fun in the sun. Now, we're right outside the Motor City, not too far from the airport. We're only 20 minutes from the airport, as a matter of fact. We can come down to the airport, pick you up if need be. If you want to drive in on a Saturday, no problem there. We're here on Saturdays till 3 o'clock. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming so we can make sure we got your favorite vehicle right where we can get at it. We do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage, but we also have about 225 cars in stock. So every now and then we got to move a couple of cars to get your favorite car out. So give Tom a call. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put the car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're going to pop the hood, look at the 454. This is our building. We're here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're going to get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Chevelle now, and man, she's pretty under here. Brand new tank. Trunk floor is beautiful, man. It is nicely painted. Frame looks good. Bushings look great. 2.5 inch exhaust. It looks great and new. Tips look great. Drop downs look good. We got a 12-bolt rear end here. It is an open rear end, and it's right around the 275 gear. It's a great highway gear. Now, it's got the reinforced lower control arms. They look like they're fairly new. It does have the extra bracing here on the frame that all the SS cars would have had. The frame is nicely painted. The backside of the rockers are nice and clean. The pinch weld looks good. The floorboards are all cleaned up and nicely painted. They're looking great. I do have a brand new brake line going front to back, and we do have a brand new fuel line going front to back. Up front here, we got a 700 R4 trans. That's a 4-speed automatic, guys. So you're gonna get down the highway with no problem whatsoever. It's got a high torque starter on it. It does have disc brakes up front, and it does have drum brakes in the back. And the guys will take those brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. We got great looking big sway bar here. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Bottom side of the core support looks good. And it's got a big old aluminum radiator in it, and it's looking great. It does have aluminum pulleys on it, and it does have beautiful chrome on the front bumper. Now let's look at wheels and tires. All right, out back here, we got two 15/70/15s. We've got the real nice trim rings here and center caps. Wheel lip moldings look good. Paint work right down to the bottom edge looks good. I always try to get around and feel around and make sure the back sides of the fenders are nice and clean. You can see the frame's nice and clean, and you can also see how clean that rocker is. You always want to take a look at the rocker. You always want to look at that pinch weld. All I see is two nice, clean pieces of metal. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we got two 55/60/15s. Again, trim ring looks good, center caps look good. Looks good right down to the bottom edge of the quarter. Always feel this edge too. And again, I'm always telling you, be careful of those screws because the back side of them screws is sharp. Again, bottom side of the rocker looks great. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 454. Great looking valve covers on it. It's all painted up. We got an Edelbrock intake. It's an EnduroShine intake with an Edelbrock carb on it. It's got power brakes. It's got SSBC aluminum master cylinder there. Firewall's all nice and clean, and her wheelhouses are nicely painted. It's got AC on it, aluminum radiator. Closeout on the top of the radiator's all polished up. Even the top radiator hose is all polished up. Looking great under the hood here, guys. It's got billet hinges on it. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. Looks like it's got a brand new air cleaner element in it. It does have an HEI distributor. It even looks like the exhaust manifolds have been jet coated. Those look like factory exhaust manifolds. Electric fans on that aluminum radiator. Beautiful under the hood, guys. Top goes down, she's black, it's got a 454 in it. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.